Okay, so here's a new link. Remember Downloader? Remember that orange app? If you can't find it, go down to your apps, go all the way over, go to Downloader. If you don't have it, go all the way to the left and search for it and download it. Yeah, there's Downloader right there. So go to Downloader. Press the 3 buttons on your controller and make sure JavaScript's enabled. Yeah, okay. And then you can press this again and make it go like bigger again. So you're gonna go to this URL box right here and you're gonna type in droid never mind. You're gonna type in Dorkbox HD. There you go, yeah. So go to Dorkbox HD, press the 3-line button on your controller twice, make it big, it's a lot easier to see. And you're gonna have all your add-ons on here, it's sweet. You got even Terrarium TV that doesn't work anymore, but One Box is on here, Free Flicks, blah, 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 blah. These are the things you need to download though. You need to download Zion and Morpheus. This is Morpheus right here. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna click that installation file and download it. The thing will pop up and just click install. So I already have it downloaded, so I'm not even screwing with it. And TV Zion too, okay? So I already got these downloaded, so let's go back. Find it, I'm gonna find it just like you would, go all the way over to search your apps because it's just a newly downloaded app. Dogs are going crazy. Hold on to the center button and you can move it all the way to the top, make it easier to find. Yeah. So anyway, let's open up TV Zion. TV Zion's pretty good, but the only thing is, it's a premium add-on, so they give you 500 hours for free. But that's per installation, so you can probably just delete it and reinstall it. But yeah, here's something I was watching, just goofing off. So he says, free again, please donate, yada yada yada. So it's pretty cool. They remember what you were watching. I was watching Always Sunny. You can do your movies too. It's kind of wonky going left and right. See, that's where it caps out right there. I'm pressing right the entire time. Oh, this one goes forever. So anyway, you can search for anything. Let's just click on anything. Let's click on Deep Blue Sea. And then you're just gonna click play. And then guess what? It's just gonna play. So I'm not gonna let it play, but that's TV Zion. That one's limited. But if you have a nice big TV, like we're using, use Morpheus. All right, let's go ahead and put it at the top too. Let's get rid of this add-on. This add-on's junk. Let's just move it down. Got demoted. There's Terrarium TV. No reason to even have that on your box anymore, so go ahead and delete it. So open up Morpheus, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's the same exact thing. When you open it up, it's going to have a little update button at the bottom. Go ahead and click that if you want to. I did. And it's just like any other add-on you'll see. TVs and movies. Ta-da. But this one gives you the option if you have it on your computer to like download the stuff. So let's just go, you can search for a TV show, but you can actually add stuff to your collection using Track TV. And let's say I got Venture Brothers, right? Venture Brothers Northern Exposure. So here's Northern Exposure, it'll give you all the seasons, da 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 da. Let's click the pilot. Now the only thing is when you load the resources and you click on a link, it's gonna wanna auto-download subtitles every single time. I've gone through the settings, there's no way to turn this off. I can't find it, and if someone can, please comment and write where you found it, because it never worked for me. So when it finds the sources and it loads it, and you find the link, you're gonna hold down to your selection button, and it'll prompt you to say, hey, what do you wanna play with? And just click Yes Player. Anytime you have any of these going, might as well use Yes Player if you can, MX Player is your backup, and anything else after that. So it found one link on the open load, it'll drop down, sometimes it'll have more. Hold on to your selection button, go play with, and then Yes Player, and it'll play. But due to copyright, I'm not gonna really let it play. But I assure you, it played about 2 seconds ago. So there you go. that's how you replace your Terrarium TV. If you go back to DroidBox, there's much more, and I'll probably make another video telling you which ones to download, but that's how you stream your TV.